Hello, welcome to another microbit lesson from me, Mr. Morrison. Today we are looking at conductivity with the microbit. So I have created a conductivity tester with my microbit, and I have crocodile clips connected to pin 1 and to ground, and there's a heart displaying. There's a heart displaying because what I've put between the crocodile clips is a metal paper clip. So a metal paper clip conducts, so that means it is showing that it's conducting. But if I replace this metal paper clip, you see it goes away because nothing's connected. But if I replace it with rubber, well, rubber doesn't connect. Rubber is an insulator. What about if I take a teaspoon here? Let's see if I can connect my teaspoon. What do we think? Yeah, teaspoon, metal, conducts electricity. Let's try another one. How about this Microsoft Educator badge? Let's see, it's metal. Do you think it's going to conduct? No. So that's an important thing to know, that not all metals conduct electricity. And then finally, I have a little pen, my Google pen, doesn't conduct. So you can set this up as a science experiment. Let's go and code it so we can get it working. So to create our conductivity tester, we are going to need forever. So I'll get rid of on start, and forever, we're going to take a if else statement. So here we have if something's true, else it'll do something else. So I'm going to go into input, and I'm going to find on pin is pressed. And for this one, I've chosen pin 1, but it could be any pin. Make sure you remember which one you've chosen. And then I am going to put in a show icon for heart. So that's going to show that it is conducting. You could have a tick instead if you wanted. And then I'm going to have clear screen. So this means if pin 1 is pressed, it'll show me a tick. But if it's not, it'll not show me anything. So that is your conduct, not conduct electricity. If you wanted, you could swap this out to be a X in here. So we could have an X. So that means it is going to show an X unless you press one like that. So up to you how you set up this. And then remember, you connect your items between pin 1 and ground and test to see if they conduct electricity or not. So I hope you enjoy using this project. Download it to your microbit, and I hope to see you in another video very soon.